Okay, so starting off with an ugly face, and we're starting with a primer, and this is my favorite Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. I love it. I love it so freaking much. And I'm gonna push it in my skin. Not the best way to put it, but yeah, I had it on my hand, so yes, it's gonna push it into my skin. I have really huge pores on my cheeks, so I think it really works. Fine them up. It's a great base. Then I'm gonna go on with the foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 238 Rich Tan, and I think it is really a good match for my skin. Yep. Firstly, I want to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day. Who made this day? Who made this day? Singles, what the fuck do we do? Okay, so this day is not only for couples, like it's about love, it's about family, it's about friends, it's about you. And always be grateful and appreciate the people who were with you all the time, with you whenever you needed them, and supported you all the time. Like, make sure you just appreciate them, let them know that you freaking love them and you really love them. Never be afraid or scared to express your feelings. Like, just let them know that you really love them, and be grateful, appreciate them all the time. Also, love yourself the way you love people. That's very important. We're all trying we're all trying, but yeah, loving yourself enough is very important. The world is trash. We gotta love ourselves, bro. So make sure you're loving yourself more each day, every time. We're all trying, bro. We're all trying, but yeah, let's do this. We got this. I usually, go on with my fingers for the dark circles. I think it, blends really well with that fingers. I think, it gives a very smooth finish. Then I'm gonna set my face with the setting powder. Yep, we're all set. Get on with the eyes. This is my favorite palette. Wow. Let's get on to contouring. I'm gonna keep it very light, just basic. I'm gonna contour my nose here, and every time I contour my nose, there's only one thing in my mind, like, why? God, why did you do this to me? Like, why I have a nose like this? Like, either you give me money for rhinoplasty, or please change my nose. Like, why am I born with this? But yeah, I can't do anything, so we gotta accept and live with it. All right. I'm really kind of scared of, like, get a rhinoplasty or surgeries. I don't know why. Like, we are used to see this face for years, right? And I'm thinking, like, what if it goes wrong? What if it goes wrong and makes my face look more bad? So it's crazy. Okay, we'll see that later someday in my life, I feel like. It's cool. Yeah, let's see. Then I'm going on with a blush, a little bit of blush, like a peachy, a little bit on the nose as well. And I'm gonna keep it, super subtle, soft. Going on with the eyes, I'm gonna fill in my brows. I want to keep it very natural, like super natural. I don't want it like too dark. So I'm gonna keep it, super natural. Yep. Then I'm just gonna comb, like, going on the spoolie. I'm just gonna comb my brows. Yeah, all set. Going on to the eyeshadow, I'm using the Makeup Revolution palette, and this is my favorite golden shade, like super golden, soft golden. So give it a little bit of glitter. I have hooded eyes, and it's so hard for me to like do it. Like, I'm still learning though, but yeah, I should have gone it like till the eyebrow bone, but I don't usually do it. I keep it very soft and down, like I like it like that. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it like very light today. And then we're going to create, it's taken a dark brown eyeshadow. We're going to create a wing, a soft wing, like not like a dark one. It's going to create a soft wing. It's going to add, like a great dimension, deepness. So I think it will look really good. Going on with the color, curling our lashes, and then, mascara. I'm not willing to add falsies, So after the mascara, I'm going on again with the curler, which is not a good idea. I swear, it's not a good idea. But if you want, you can do it. Like, I really want a natural kind of look, so I think it's pretty fine. Like, I don't want to add falsies. I don't want to keep it like basic. Going on with the eyeshadow, dark one, just a below one as well, a little, very little, soft one. And if you think you're having any fallout because of the mascara and curling, you just take a clean brush and just swipe it off. It's gonna be like all cool, yeah? Then I'm gonna go all my favorite part, the lipstick. We're doing a very classic red lip. So first I'm gonna take a dark one to outline my lips, and then I'm gonna take a lighter one to fill it in. I'm using the NYX lipstick, and if there's any, like unevenness, I'm gonna take a brush and just fine it up. good, it's not good, it's okay, like okay, fuck it, like whatever, okay, keep it. Then I'm going to use a highlighter and I'm going to put it on my cheekbone and also a little bit on the nose if I want, like if I feel like, yeah, I did, I guess. Then I'm going to put on my clavicle and just like a glowy body. I love like a glowy thing. So yeah. So that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, I've done a classic red lip and like, a little bit of goldy whatever eyeshadow. I think it's a very basic and a subtle soft look. So yes, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure you press the like button below and do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Take care. Bye bye.